The following video is intended for immature audiences only. Viewer discretion is advised. Good morning! It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes! Today's a good question. Today is the 8th of September, 2023. It is 7:22 in the morning here in the gloomy skies of New York. It is 77 degrees and 100% humidity. 100% humidity. Let's go check in on my Bosch. All right. Keeping it real. Okay, Master Suite. It is 70 degrees inside, 70 degrees outside. It's 47% humidity, and it's 93% humidity outside. Guys, all of you haters, they got Mikey Pipes, the Chinese junk, the Bosch, support America, and they suck. They suck. They don't remove humidity, and you're a hack. Yep, people say that. People say that, and sometimes I decide to entertain the clowns. So that's what they are. They're armchair keyboard technicians who live in their parents' basement, wearing a wife beater and a pair of whitey tighties with skid marks on them, skid stains. You know I'm talking to you. A properly sized central air conditioning system will provide and accommodate comfort cooling and humidity removal. It's facts. You oversize the system. The first thing that's going to happen, you're going to have a humid house. You're going to have a humid house because the air conditioning system will extract that heat from the air so quickly that it's not going to have any opportunity to remove the humidity. It removes that heat so quickly, it does not remove that humidity. Just keeping it real. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's Friday. I love me Fridays. For all of you who follow me on the Mikey Pipes channel, the main channel, yesterday I had my second doctor's appointment to deal with the high blood pressure issue that I experienced while I was in Italy, which resulted in a trip to the hospital in Rome. I took a nuclear stress test where they injected me with some radioactive, like, jelly or liquid. They made me radioactive, and that's all I haven't seen. I crack myself up sometimes. Anyway, I'm pleased to announce that the nuclear stress test I passed. Quote unquote, the pictures are good. But it doesn't negate that the stress test that I had on Tuesday showed something. So we're going to do one more test. We're going to do some kind of CAT scan. But we're going to do that, and then hopefully all is good, and hopefully we'll just contribute the unable to breathe during a wedding for my decision to consume a bottle of Don Julio 1942 with another party, where we finished a bottle of 1942 from taking the cap off, the seal, and we finished the whole bottle of 1942 before the actual ceremony or the chuppah started. Listen, love me 1942. What can I say? And if you love 1942 as well, we're gonna have a little giveaway. Yep, I am gonna give away a bottle of 1942 to one lucky subscriber who writes just a comment in the comment section down below relevant to health and drinking. It's okay to drink every so often. Just if you're drinking excess or abuse alcohol, that's a problem. Don't be well, you need to go to NA or AA. Because alcoholics go to meetings. I'm just a drunk. All right, guys. Well, I'm at my first service call of the day. This is an estimate to replace a furnace. I'm willing to wager they have a steam boiler. Well, it's 7:30 in the morning, and I'm here in front of his house, and there's no answer to the door.
Automatic voice message.
No answer to the phone.
3477.
Early bird.
We get our estimates done before our service calls.
Gotcha.
You got a Mr. Cool DIY HVAC system.
Good eye.
You put it in
I did, yeah.
by yourself?
I did, yeah.
Very nice. It comes with the pre-charged lines, I hear.
It does.
Oh man, that's
watch
a
out for
big
the
mother
spider
effer right
webs.
there. I'm willing to wager you don't have a furnace, but you have a boiler. Wow, you have a furnace. A Williamson, no less.
Yeah,
And that runs on oil, doesn't it?
it does, yeah.
That is the most stupidest thing. You have a gas meter right in the room,
Yeah.
yet you have an oil-fired furnace in there.
Yeah.
All right, and you want a gas-fired furnace.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want us to take care of everything, like chimney line or oil tank removal, or you want to, sub that out individually? Reason why I ask, because I see, like, if you put in your own mini split system,
Yeah.
chances are certain things you can sub out yourself.
Unfortunately, the oil tank is underground.
Okay. We could recommend some companies that you could, shop around with then.
Yeah, and that you
It will vary greatly in price.
Yeah.
Some guys will scare the living,
So for that, you can't just leave it or like empty it and leave it. Or,
Well, no, you can empty it, and then it's got to be cleaned, and then it's got to be filled with foam or sand. You know how many gallons it is?
I want to say 3.
300-ish?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe it's 500. It's a lot of gallons.
I'll double check my.
Okay. Where, in the front of the house?
It's right on the side here, under that tree, probably.
Where's the fill for it?
Right in front of that fence.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Right at the
Under the
bottom.
tree, huh?
Right on the bottom of that fence.
Gotcha. So maybe it's over there.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Okay. What, oh, you've got a Ream water heater. All right. Any particular
All right.
brand you look?
I hope I get that job. I don't like to apply too much pressure. I'm not like a pressure cooker. But I hope I get the job because we got the damn gas meter right there in the room. Even if I didn't have Mega Press to cut in a 3/4 inch T there, damn, that's easy. I told him I'm not even factoring in the cost to put in the gas piping and the price of the job. Anyway, I gave him a price on a Bosch. I know it sounds crazy. I gave him a price on a Bosch. I gave him a price on a Bryant 2-stage furnace, 80,000 BTU. He doesn't need 100,000 BTU. The house is like 1,200 square feet. Come on. You don't need 100K. And then I gave him a price on a Ream 2-stage. All these use ECM motors, no PSC. That's where you get a little bit of electrical savings there. And factoring in the 2-stage, we're good. We're good. We got to reconnect some ductwork because someone decided to add a dryer vent. And I don't know. I guess were they smoking something? Anyway, yesterday I put out a video on the Uncensored channel on the first of several I'm going to do instructional step-by-step videos on the isometric drawings. So yesterday I did a very simple drawing for the community with the video. A 3-piece bath. Simple 3-piece bath, vent to roof, right? So we have a vanity, we have, lav sink, we have a water closet, a toilet, and we had a tub. So, yeah, very easy peasy. Check it out. Over the next week or two, we're going to do a whole bunch of isometric drawing videos. And again, I'm not bragging about anything. I happen to just barely pass the Florida Master Plumber's exam. Just barely passed. But let me tell you something. It's either pregnant or not pregnant. So I passed. So now I have that credential now, that licensing. Can't wait. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy your Friday. I just wanted to make a quick little video. It's a nice little Williamson right there.
Folks over at Whale McLean will be proud. That thing's still alive. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Enjoy. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.